Hey Artland, how's it going? So, since it's summertime right now, a lot of people are out playing in the water at the lakes, the beach, the ocean, all sorts of different things. And something that's always fun to do is, if you have one, to jump on your jet ski. So, today I want to show you guys how to draw a jet ski. Now, to start off with this, we're going to draw a nice line that goes right across here. So, I'm just going to draw a nice line straight across. And then I'm going to just kind of add a little curve and then redraw that line. So it kind of looks like a really skinny oval. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. It goes over, and then it's just going to curve up. And then I'm just going to add another little line that just kind of goes right around here at the bottom. Up here, you want to make a line that goes up. It's going to kind of come down, and it's going to curve up again and go down. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to come down. Then it's just going to curve to here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. It's going to go up and then down here. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to go up for the seat. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over and then down. And then I'm going to add two little kind of rectangular shapes on each side for the handles. Then I'm going to add a little curved line right here. And then I'm just going to add a quick little line or two over here at the back. And there you go. There is your drawing of a jet ski. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.